girl is making $1,000 a month. And she has never paid rent, never slept, and literally does not exist. Meanwhile, you're tired, underpaid, and debating whether to film yourself again. Good news! We're replacing ourselves with AI today.
Yeah, boy.
Hello everyone, I'm Emily. Today we are going to, sorry. Give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how to make viral AI dance videos using free tools. No camera, no dancing. Let's dive in. Step 1. Go to Google and search Gemini. Next, type this prompt. Generate the image of the beautiful Asian girl with modern dress in a full view. The image should be in 4K. The aspect ratio is 9:16. Here's the image.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's beautiful, but we are going to do some corrections. Make her wearing a modern skirt. There you go. This image looks fine.
Damn!
Let's download it. Step 2. Go to YouTube. Search viral dance videos. Select one video. I'll choose this one. Next, just copy the video link. Step 3. Go to savefrom.net. Copy the video link. Paste the link in the box. And download the video. Step 4. Go to Biggle AI. First, add the AI-generated girl image. Second, add the video that we downloaded. Choose Add Motion to Be. Then, click Mix. Wait for AI to generate. Once ready, just download it.
Nice.
Step 5. Go to Canva. Open and click Create a Design. Choose TikTok Video. Upload the AI-generated video. Arrange the position correctly without showing watermark. And download it as a MP4 video. Step 6. Go to Gemini. Upload that video. And type this prompt. Generate a title description hashtags and search keyword tags for this video. Make sure it wants to hit 1 million views.
What? What?
Boom! There you go. Next, go to the YouTube and remix the video. If you want to remix the video, make sure you use it in a mobile. The last step. Go to YouTube Studio. Upload your video and apply information. And that's it. Here are some of my videos that reached a 1,000 and even 2,000 views in 24 hours. I started this channel 1 week before. All my videos are doing great. When the YouTube analyzes your starting videos and thinks good, your video's going to be a viral and even make millions of views and $1,000 in a month after monetization. Post videos consistently. Well. How was my video? If you want more videos like this, comment below Dancing with AI and don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Let's see you all in the next video.